Hi, my name is Carla in my Simple Home Gym, and it's about 6 months since my total knee replacement. I'd like to show you an exercise that I do to help bend my leg and stretch my leg muscles. The only equipment you need for this exercise is a yoga strap. First thing I do is loop the yoga strap around my foot and then get down on my belly to the floor with the other end of the yoga strap within reach. I pull the yoga strap as far forward and down as I can, as shown, so that I'm lifting my thigh off the ground and bending my leg toward the back of my thigh as far as it will go. I also grab my foot on the non-surgery leg and lift my thigh and pull the foot down toward my back. This position is known as the bow in yoga. You can see that there is a big difference in the bend here. So this is something I still need to work on. I hold this position for around 1 minute. You can do multiple sets of this exercise if you'd like. I'm doing this in real time so you can work out along with me, even though I'm not talking during the whole exercise. At some point during my 1 minute hold, I release my non-surgery leg, but I still hold the surgery leg through the full minute. When I'm done, I lower my legs. I curl the toes under my foot and press the knee up toward the ceiling to straighten my knee with tension. I release and press, release and press. You can do this up to a minute and it will help straighten your knee, but also it will help relieve the stress from the previous exercise. Then I stand up. I have a video for that move too. I do these exercises every day if I can. Thank you for watching. I hope you heal well. Please subscribe to CB99 videos and give me a super thanks if you can.